my dears, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and I put out beauty related videos sometimes. So today's video is going to be a full face using all of my current favorite liquid products. This past summer and pretty much this past year, I've been really into liquid products. And I absolutely love the way that it looks on the skin. And for some weird reason, I don't know what it is, but everybody kind of does this transition from like summer to fall where they go more matte in the fall, and I just can't do it. I love glowy, dewy, wonderful skin. I think it looks absolutely beautiful all year round. I am also a dry skinned person, so that's probably why I crave the dewiness all year round, and I can't see myself transitioning from this. Like, it just probably won't happen on this channel, so. Which is funny because I am using a matte liquid foundation today, but you'll see what I'm gonna do. You'll see. Anywho, that I think is all the babbling that I want to do today. Do I have any more to say? Oh, before we get into this is going to be a voiceover because my dumb forgot to set the dishwasher after filming this video, and pretty much the entire time I filmed with the dishwasher on. If you didn't know, I'm filming in the kitchen/dining room area. I don't have anywhere else to film in this small apartment that I live with my husband and 2 kids. So yeah, mistake. And it's so annoying. Like, I wouldn't mind watching somebody else's videos, but I don't think I could watch my own personal videos like with the dishwasher on, or like, you know, I didn't want to get distracted by the dishwasher. So it is going to be a voiceover, just so you know. Yeah, that's all I've got to say for today. So let's just get right into this. Yes. Okay, so the first product I'm going to go into is the AOA Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. And this is like the most perfect brow pomade / liquid brow gel. It's absolutely wonderful. I love starting out by outlining my brow and then sort of spreading the product out with the spoolie, and as you can see, it gives you the most beautiful natural brow. I absolutely love this product. It's definitely 100% waterproof and sweat proof. Now I'm going to go in with the AOA Studio Pawpaw Liquid Concealer. I can't for the life of me remember what shade this is in, but I will have all that information for you down below. And I felt like I needed to clean up my brows just a little bit today, just because I went a little bit ham with the waterproof brow gel, but this ensured that everything looks fabulous. More AOA Studio products. This is the Aqua Hydrating Face Primer and the Glow Baby Liquid Highlighter. I love the face primer. I'm not so sure about the highlighter yet. I'll get back to you on that one. But the face primer is absolutely amazing. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this primer. And I swear it's like $1.50, if not just $1. I can't remember. But as you could see, mixed together, both of them look absolutely gorgeous. Then I went in with the most liquidy foundation I've got, and that is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is probably the only foundation that I recommend to both dry and oily skinned people, because it is a matte foundation. However, if you do go in with a nice hydrated base such as I did today, you can have beautiful, flawless looking skin. Like, this literally has a second skin effect, and it looks absolutely stunning. Then I used that same concealer that I used to carve out my brows with under the eyes, and I forgot how like full coverage this concealer was. I literally used the tiniest bit for both sides, and it covered up my dark circles beautifully. Not only that, but the shade was so perfect for me that it brightened up the under eye. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. This is a deeper shade. I think it is Deep Chestnut. I will have that info below. And I just dotted on my face, and I realized it wasn't enough. So I applied a little bit to the back of my hand, and then I realized it was too much. But don't worry. I was able to blend this out to my desired look. Then I went in with the ever so stunning Becca Liquid Highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop I feel like I always have to say it that way. I don't know why. But I just went ahead and applied some of this to the high points of my face, as well as down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, any little place that I like to highlight. And this blended right into that bronzer or, you know, concealer like a dream. Then I took this Milani Cheek Kiss blush in the shade Nude Flush, and this is the most beautiful like nude shade blush that I currently own in my collection. It also has sort of like a beautiful satiny, almost like sheen to it, and it just tied everything in so well. For my eyes, I kept it really basic. I had a little bit of that bronzer and a little bit of that blush left over, so I just took that same e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I need to get more of this particular brush because I did not realize how like great this brush is for just about everything, and I thought I could use like 2 more of these, and I know they're very inexpensive because e.l.f. is wonderful like that. And I also took a little bit of my highlighter and again used that same old glorious brush to blend that shade out onto my eyelids. I applied a couple of coats of mascara, and then I went in with an old discontinued ColourPop like ultra satin liquid lipstick that I should definitely throw away, and I will not tell you what shade it is because I am embarrassed and ashamed that I put this on my lips. And yeah, then I topped it off with another super old lip gloss that again I will not reveal to you because I am again ashamed. This is the finished look. As you can see, my skin looks fresh, dewy, glowing, perfect. This is the kind of skin I wish I had without makeup, but I could always achieve it with the makeup, you know? And that's all I've got for you guys today, so hopefully you enjoyed today's little video. Sorry that it was a voiceover, but it was the best that I can do in my current situation. My goal or dream, you guys, is to one day just have an entire beauty room set up for me where I don't have to worry about the outside noises or being quiet in the living room, dining room, kitchen area. That would be so wonderful one day. So let me know what you think about this makeup look. I will say I definitely do not recommend this for anyone who has to actually physically go to a job or if you're going out or anything like that. However, if you powder it, you can just take a nice light translucent powder and I'm sure you can have everything set in place and you won't have too much transfer because obviously we have to wear masks nowadays and I would not wear this fresh, beautiful makeup with a mask on. However, if you've got something like a Zoom call or if you're working from home or if you just want to feel a little bit put together, I feel like this is perfection. Didn't take me very long to film this and didn't take me very long to put it together. I also feel like I just used a couple of brushes and my sponge and I'm really liking this look. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye-bye.